getting a POV with the TRX, man. My nigga Mr.Gotdamnit in the TRX, man. Yes, sir. Y'all hit a cat. Hey, this gonna be a famous cat, man. But yeah, man, we getting a POV, man. We get some content in for the day, man. You know, Mexico shit. Hot as hell. It's only 92 today though, so we good. I ain't gonna lie. If it was any hotter, bro, I wouldn't even be out. I'm lying. I pop out for content. I'm always popping out for content. You know. Hear that? I should be whistling. Yeah, but we outside, man, with gang. I wasn't gonna shoot another vlog with him because I already got a vlog I'm dropping with him, so I don't want to have too much just saturated content. You know what I'm saying? It's genuine shit. We ain't on no camera shit, social media shit, you feel me? So it's real life shit, like nigga really cool as hell. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, so damn, 12 behind us. 12 definitely behind us. It's a funeral. It's a funeral. My shit be glistening, boy. These motherfuckers tweaking. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, but we getting a POV drive with Mr.Gotdamnit, you know? But yeah, man, so we got more coming for the channel. We just got monetized, so we coming for the spots, man. We coming for the spots, you know? These YouTubers and shit, I'm coming for y'all spot, man. I ain't not no cocky shit. I'm just coming, bro. I'm working, so this shit don't stop, man. I'm coming for that spot. I'm coming for that number one. It could be number two, number three, as long as I'm making some bread, some onion, some cheddar, some guap, some guala, some greens, some cheese, nigga. I'm Gucci. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Big TRX, big HELLCAT. It's real life. How we riding too. You know, superchargers only, blowers only. But alright, man, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.